Hi, this is Mert from ICT Group. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Visual Studio Code environment for the ICT Recruitment Challenge. First of all, after installing VSCode on your computer, you will need to install an extension called Remote SSH by Microsoft. Go ahead and click the Extensions button on the left side and search for Remote SSH in the Extensions tab. Choose the first search result and click Install. You should see a green button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on that will open an interface to connect to a host machine. Choose Remote SSH Connect to Host. Put in the login credentials given to you by your ICT supervisor as you see here. Keep in mind that your participant number and IP address will be different from what you see here. Hit enter. Choose the first config file to update. After successfully adding a host, a pop-up should appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. Navigate to that and click Connect. This should open a second VS Code window which prompts you to enter your password for the given host. Enter the password you received from your ICT supervisor and hit enter. You can see the connection progress at the bottom left corner of your screen. When it's successful, you should see SSH and IP address you are given. Lastly, to access your coding environment in the remote server, click Open Folder link in the middle of the screen. Clicking that will show your home directory and what's under it. Choose the appropriate folder and click OK. Enter your password again when it's prompted. When you connect successfully, you should see your files on the Explorer tab under your Team Editor. Click on it to expand it to view your files. All the files you need to start coding should be here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. Good luck!